Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video of Layman Solution. In this video, we'll discuss the ways to check if Facebook is down. The first thing that you need to make sure is if your phone has a good network connection. For that, you can try loading different websites and apps. If you can load handful of websites in no time, your problem is not a network connection. After that, you must try some basic things like clearing Facebook caches. For that, long press on Facebook, app info, and storage and caches. Click on clear cache. You can also check if Facebook is updated on your phone or not. After doing all this, if the problem doesn't get solved, then probably it is not from your side. It might be possible that Facebook is down. To confirm it, you need to head over to Twitter. Click on the search option. Type something like Facebook down. Here you will get all the information related to Facebook, whether it is down or not. You can find that here. You can find everything related to Facebook here. So close this. This was the first method. If you somehow don't want to download or sign up on Twitter, then the second method is for you. You can try third-party websites or app for checking if Facebook is down, and the name of this website is Down Detector. Open Google Chrome. In the search box type Down Detector. Click on the first option. You'll see here, type Facebook. Here you can see that Facebook is not down. But when it is down, it will show here that it is down. So through this method, you can check if Facebook is down. I hope you like this method. Thank you very much.